Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadir gajing Jabas ngausi kabla jah ke Jylla Karnataka kabla dekat ru ya gajing jagi arngut ikena skol naga Jylla Meghalaya Kementeri Sarkar Jylla ke Kmie keterangan ke koi ke Dr. Ampareen lingdo kerakin tu Kmie Phah bikin kham Husiar bat banda bishar benya Phah habagi jit ke jaka Pule naga benda ki Khun jongki kalau ong ru bagan gade gajing Jabas ngausi ke pelepat iki kemat ke badan kam banda bishar benya bat ban shim jingikai naga gajing ban yada ni gajing hadin habot.
So this is a matter of deep concern. We don't know the extent of cases of this nature in the past. But we definitely know that there should be adequate awareness created to parents also as they prepare to send their children to unknown institutions. We have to educate firstly our own community. We have to make sure that if you're sending your child to a specific designation, you should know exactly where you're sending them. The credibility of the institution, the management of the institution, all of this. Most of the time, we are not privy to these arrangements. This is a perfect situation where we are not aware. And that this recruitment is being done, correctly said, without scrutiny. And yes, this is a lesson learned, and I am sure that the education department will also give its own protocols henceforth. And I'm sure that this kind of an eye-opening, tragic incident should never occur again in our state. We must scrutiny, we must give stringent advisories. Where are we sending our children? What are these institutions like? We have heard in the past students passing out from these different kinds of courses which are not recognized. Investments have been made by families. We are also seeing that credibility of institutions, especially when such large number of our students are studying in a particular institution. So yes, we must get into a fact-finding, and yes, we must caution our citizens at the right time. It's very unfortunate that at the disclosure of a tragedy of this extent, 2 lives lost, that we should learn. But this is something that we are working on, and I'm sure the education department will come up with its own advisories from here forward. Very sad about this unfortunate incident of the demise of 2 of our young students who were studying in Karnataka. And yes, the government is putting pressure on the Karnataka government to ensure that there will be justice, there should be inquiries, there should be follow-ups, and we feel very, very disheartened to know that these 2 young lives went in search of education, but this is the result of their ambition. And I feel very bad that this has happened. Government already has sent an officer at the highest level to inquire and to find out details and to bring back in as quick a manner as possible the remains of these. Today we lost another boy, and we will not rest till the government of Karnataka has taken stock of this entire situation, and we send our condolences to the bereaved family and express our anguish and our concern that an incident like this could have happened. and we can only pray for the departed souls. And we have done whatever we could in the capacity of the government to bring justice to this great injustice of the loss of 2 young lives.